Hi everyone, this is Andy with Bloomberg.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a form to the form template gallery so you can use it later on as a template. Let's start. Alright, so I'm here in Google Drive and I'm going to right click and go to this arrow next to forms. And now I'm going to click on from a template. The template gallery is going to open, and here we're going to click where it says submit template. Now we're going to click on select a form, and we're going to find the form in our Google Drive. This is the form I want to add, so I'm going to click on open. And if the form is in use, I recommend you to click here where it says submit a copy of this file instead of the original. Now you can change the name, and we're going to select a category. And finally, we're going to click on submit. Now the form has been added to the template gallery and it can be used as a template. And to use it, you're going to right click and go here from a template and click on the template you would like to use. And now this form has been created based on a template. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.